What's up, guys? I'm back. Can you believe it? I'm back doing this again. I've been gone for so long. I mean, do you remember how long I've been gone for? Anyways, guys, I'm back and I'm super excited to give you guys all these quick hair and makeup tips. Not only for you, but also for your kids. I'm super excited about that. So anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it, right? So, we already recorded mostly half of the video, and I realized I wasn't hitting record. So, here we're gonna start all over again. Basically, I'm doing a light face application. I'm just using my Tinted Moisturizer. So, I had already moisturized my face, which lost in the previous recording, and now I'm applying my Tinted Moisturizer, which is Mercier. Very little goes a long way, so I like to apply it to my hand, just a dab. I take my foundation brush and I just kind of buff it in, just like that. And I do the other side. Cover my nose. And then I cover forehead, cover my cheeks. And this is going, this water from my hair. Jesus. This is going to give me a light coverage, nothing heavy, and you will love. If you're a type of person who doesn't like a lot of makeup, Tinted Moisturizer is for you, okay? Just apply it all over my face, and then take my concealer, which is MAC, put it under my eyes, and I always conceal on top. Put that in. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification button to get new videos every week. Alright, skin's looking good. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I forgot to take my makeup out from yesterday, and it is all in my bag, and it is a hot mess. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. Look at my hands. Look at my fucking hands. Disaster. So the next few steps on the eyebrows and the mascara, I'm just going to go ahead and speed up the process just because I've already made a video like this before, and I'll make sure it is attached in the link below. Today I'm using Legendary Lashes Volume 2 by Charlotte Tilbury. I switch up my mascara all the time, so, and you just see how it made my eyes pop. I feel like I don't even need fake lashes today. Before your blush, don't forget to add your setting powder, then your setting spray. I totally forgot to show you this in the video, but I have made previous videos on how to do that as well, which is in the link below. Go ahead and put your little lip gloss on. Give you some color. And voila, that's it, guys. Hair's done, face done. 1, 2, 5 minutes, and I'm out the door. So, let me know what you guys think. I am Whitney Green Bennett, coming to you with all the hair and makeup tips that are super quick and easy. Till next time, guys. Peace.